Welcome back to Advance Auto. In today's video we are exploring the 2026 Skoda Vision, a bold new electric SUV that represents a major step for Skoda as it pushes deeper into the world of full electric vehicles. Based on the Vision 7S concept that Skoda has been developing, this model is shaping up to be a flagship 7-seat electric SUV designed for families, long journeys and everyday use without compromise. The Vision 7S draws on Skoda's modern solid design language, blending practicality with a premium feel that rivals many other large electric SUVs on the market. The exterior of the 2026 Skoda Vision is distinguished by its strong, muscular stance and clean lines. At first glance you can see how Skoda has balanced aerodynamic efficiency with a sense of robustness. The front end features sleek headlights and a subtle yet striking grille design that hints at the vehicle's electric nature. The overall proportions give this SUV a presence on the road that feels confident without being overly aggressive. Inside, the cabin of the Vision is focused on space and flexibility, with room for up to 7 adults thanks to its 3-row seating arrangement. Skoda has designed the interior with comfort and practicality in mind, using quality materials and clever storage solutions that make every journey more comfortable for everyone on board. Technology plays a central role in the Vision's appeal. An advanced infotainment system sits front and center, offering seamless connectivity, navigation and media control. Larger screens and intuitive controls make it easy to interact with key features, while driver assistance systems help reduce the stress of daily driving. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist and automated emergency braking are expected to be part of the package to ensure safety and convenience remain high priorities. These systems work together to support the driver in city traffic or on long highway trips. Although final specifications may vary by region, the overall tech focus reflects Skoda's commitment to delivering a modern driving experience that meets the expectations of today's buyers. Performance is another highlight for the 2026 Vision. Powered by a large battery pack and driven by one or more electric motors, this SUV is expected to deliver smooth and responsive acceleration with a competitive range that suits both daily commuting and longer road trips. Early concept previews suggest a driving range in the high hundreds of kilometers on a single charge, with fast charging capability that can help cut downtime on longer journeys. The electric powertrain also gives the Vision quiet and refined performance, enhancing comfort for all occupants. Now let's talk about price. While final pricing for the production 2026 Skoda Vision has not yet been officially confirmed, early indications and automotive forecasts suggest that a realistic starting price for this flagship electric SUV would be around $75,000 for the base model. This places the Vision in the competitive territory of premium 7-seat electric SUVs, offering strong value given its size, technology and range. Higher trims with additional features or enhanced battery options could cost more, reflecting the flexibility and customization that many buyers are seeking in the electric vehicle market. Overall, the 2026 Skoda Vision is an exciting addition to the electric vehicle landscape, combining family-friendly space, advanced technology and practical performance in a full electric package. If you are considering an electric SUV for your next vehicle, the Vision is definitely one to watch as it approaches its expected launch later in 2026. Thanks for watching Advance Auto. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and price updates.